1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Look at you. You knew. I counted off, so you did that on purpose.
Flour, please, okay.
Flour first? Okay,
Flour,
please.
okay.
Okay, she's ready, guys. Today we are gonna make snickerdoodles.
Cookie, yay!
All right, what goes first in here, Cece?
Cookie ready.
Let's put flour, okay?
Cookie
Mommy
ready.
is gonna put flour. We'll do 1.5. Give or take a few. Good job. One more, okay? Mommy will scoop the flour for you.
Sister happy.
When baking with a toddler, measurements are never really exact. This way. Yay! Okay. First we have our flour. And now we add other things to make it rise. You're gonna mix, mix, mix. Okay, we have teaspoons. We're gonna add baking soda, okay? Soda, baking soda. Uh-oh. Back. Okay. Back. Okay, Mommy will get it, and then you add it in, okay? Okay, put it in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then now we're gonna add cream of tartar. You wanna play with this? Okay. Okay, now you put it in. Careful, right there. Good job. Wait, you forgot the salt. We have to mix the dry stuff first. Salt. Wow, what a good mixer. You wanna put it closer?
Ball.
Do it with the whisk first.
Ball.
After.
Ball.
So we've been making cookies and she calls this ball because we use it to scoop it into a ball. And she's really into this tool. Whoa, nope. Okay, that's good, we're moving on, okay? Our dry ingredients are done. Good job, Cece. Good job. Okay, wait, now we're gonna do butter.
Butter.
All right, so we have finished.
Butter.
So I have some butter. Do you want to open?
Open.
You want me to do it? Or you want to do it? Put ball down.
Ball.
Put the scooper down.
Ball.
After.
Ball.
Okay, I'll do it for you. It's broken. Uh-oh, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Okay, now we add our butter. Remember, we have to mix it with that big thing first. And now we do sugar. Remember sugar? So we're gonna do white sugar. Okay. White sugar. No. There you go. Just a little bit, okay? And now I have to get brown sugar. Be right back.
Sugar.
Just do
White sugar.
white sugar. And this is brown sugar. We use both.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
No.
This makes it soft and chewy. Yeah. Okay, well, this is the rest of the bag. See, it's good, right? Okay, remember this? Remember the mixer?
White sugar.
Yep. We have to mix the sugar now. Okay.
1, 2.
2, 3. Huh? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is it cool? Okay, wait, Sissy, now we add the egg. Okay, ready? Now we add the egg. So Cece cracks an egg every morning with her papa because they make scrambled eggs for breakfast. Uh-huh. Crack it right here. Do you want a separate bowl?
No.
Where are you taking the egg? Put it in here.
Baby.
Baby bowl, that's right. Can you crack it into the bowl? Everything has to be the same, folks. they crack it in a bowl in the morning, it has to go in the same bowl when we're making cookies. Did you do it hard enough? Okay, good job. Now you crack it.
Crack it. Crack it.
1, 2, 3. Egg. We're not making scrambled eggs, Cece. We're making cookies.
No.
Say bye-bye, egg.
No. Yeah. Egg.
Bye-bye, egg.
Egg. More egg.
Okay, what? Just that's good. And then vanilla.
Sure.
Vanilla. Just a little bit. This stuff is expensive. It's like $30 now when it used to be like, I don't know, like 11.
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, egg.
Egg. Egg.
Egg.
Bye-bye, egg.
Bye-bye, egg.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, egg. Okay, sister. Now we put flour and butter together and then we mix it and then you can do ball.
Cut.
Oh my gosh.
Baby shark cookie.
No. Ow. Stop. Stop it, Cece. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay, stop. Okay, let's wash your face. Okay. You trying to put makeup on? Powder? You are so silly. Well, most of the flour ended up on her face and this marble thing, but okay, that's okay. But that's the joy of baking with kids. It gets messy. Okay, so now we're gonna add this in. Ready?
Bye. Go.
Ready, set, go. Okay, and then one more mix and then you can make a ball, okay? Oh, you wanna do it by hand? Good job. Do it all the way down, like that.
Miss.
Tell me you got that. Tell me you heard it. Oh my gosh. So you can definitely do this with a whisk, by hand, or even with the mixer. You got it? Let me finish mixing it, okay? And then remember, we're gonna do cinnamon and sugar.
Sure.
Sugar. Okay, sister. She calls herself sister because she's a big sister now, right? Okay, now we're gonna add sugar. 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, okay? Don't smell this if you wanna sneeze really bad. Okay, ready? And then can you shake it for me?
Shake it.
Shake it, okay. Shake it off, shake it off. Shake. Now we can make our ball. Remember yesterday? We made this yesterday, yes, we did. And now we're filming it again. Whoa, good job. Ball, and then we roll it in cinnamon and sugar, kind of like a churro. Or real life Play-Doh. Okay, you have to roll it into a ball though. Good job. Very good at rolling, Cece. Like that, and then we dip it like that. Wow. Okay, you just play with that ball then. You're good at making balls. Thank you. Can I have it?
No.
Please?
No.
Okay.
No.
That was a very adamant no. Sister, do you like cookies? Let's see if she'll say yes, since she says no to everything. Do you like mommy?
What's your face?
Thank you. Okay.
Mommy jaw. What's your face?
I have no idea what you're saying. Ah.
Mommy, pizza.
Mommy, pizza? All right. So we are gonna bake these cookies off and we'll be back with some freshly baked
Cool.
cookies. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, cookies. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned old-fashioned way. You want it with some milk?
Here.
Okay, our cookies have cooled, so now we're transferring.
Be up.
Okay, cookie off. You want to do it? That. Ta-da!
Cookie.
Look, brother, look what we made. We made cookies.
Baby.
Baby cookies. Look what sister made.
Oh. Sissy cookies.
Mm-hmm. Do you think brother will like it one day? Are you gonna make cookies for brother one day? Can you kiss him? Aww. You guys, that almost never ever happens. Like, she has probably kissed him like twice in her life. That was so special. It's chaotic, it's fun, it's Christmas. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Sissy Bees.
Bye, busy bees. Is that what you said? Do you know Jingle Bells?
Nice.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Merry Christmas. It is to ride in one horse open sleigh.